Hi you guys, welcome back to the Firefighters Financial Toolbox. This is my monthly dividend portfolio update. February is a good month for me for dividends. As you can see, we had a number of companies that gave us dividends. We got some from Archer Daniels Midland, ADP, AG&C, Bank of America, Crown Castle, Ford, Johnson & Johnson, McDonald's, 3M, of course, Realty Income, who does it every month, Pfizer, Public Storage, Visa, Walgreens, Waste Management, Essential Utilities, and Exxon all gave us some dividends this month. So last month, our total going out was $30,167.76. As you know, since then, our stock market has been on a torrential downward spiral. And currently, we find that we are lower than that. So let's take a look at what we got. We're up to a total of $88.29 for the month, which is by far my biggest month. As you guys know, dividend investing is new for me, and I've only been doing it for about a year now. So my position, my dividend portfolio is quite small compared to the rest of my portfolio. But even as the stock prices go down, the dividends keep coming in. So let's take a look at what we got. We got $1.28 from Archer Daniels Midland, $1.82 for my 2 shares from ADP, $4.64 for AG&C Investment Corp, $3.60 from Bank of America. Also got $3.60 from Crown Castle International. That's one of my REITs. I got $6.45 from Ford, $19.20 from Johnson & Johnson, $4.80 from McDonald's, $1.79 from 3M, $4.68 from Realty Income, $5.70 from Pfizer, $6 from Public Storage, $1.53 from Visa, $1.88 from Walgreens, $2.97 from Waste Management, 95 cents from Water or Essential Utilities, and Exxon at $17.40. Now let's take a look at our totals by each investment account. We'll start off with Vanguard. My Vanguard portfolio, well, the dividend portion of that is part of it is in my brokerage account, and that is the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, which is sitting at about 43.62, and then I have 4 individual stocks in my brokerage account there. That account is 10,084.16. In my Roth IRA there, now these are just the individual dividend stocks that I have in my Roth. I do have some other ETFs and index funds in there as well, but that total is $2,379.54 for a total at Vanguard's dividend of $12,463.70. At Ally, we have all in the brokerage account, and all of my holdings at Ally are individual stocks. As you can see, as a rule, the only one that's still really a green is my Tesla, which is my only non-dividend payer, but I keep it in there just for easier math. The total in there is $62.8808. At M1, I do have my brokerage account, which I call my taxable dividend portfolio. That's $29.3610. And then I also have a small Roth IRA as well there, which has 3 individual dividend stocks, Disney, JP Morgan Chase, and Visa. And that's currently sitting at $2,900.62. So my M1 Finance dividend portion is $5,836.62. Now, we total those guys up. We say that our March total for the dividend portfolio is currently $24,588.40. So we can see that we are down quite a bit from last month's $30,167. We're down about $5,500 for the month. The positive is we got a good takeaway on the amount we have for the dividends, but as you know, the stock prices have gone down. One thing that is reassuring that as the stock prices go down, remember, your actual dividend yield increases. So as long as you have strong quality companies, there's a good chance you'll keep making money even though the stock market is going down.